Healthy snacking made easy. Homemade hummus and veggie sticks. Welcome to your journey towards a healthier snacking option. Let's dive into creating a delicious hummus and veggie sticks snack. First, gather chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. These are the stars of our smooth and creamy hummus. Blend these ingredients until you achieve that perfect, velvety texture. This homemade recipe is not just tasty but packed with nutrients. Now, let's talk about the crunchy part. Grab fresh carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Their colors and textures are unbeatable. Subscribe. Slice them into sticks. This shape makes dipping easy and fun, ensuring every bite gets a generous amount of hummus. Pairing these vibrant veggie sticks with your creamy hummus creates a snack that's not only healthy but irresistibly delicious. So, next time you're looking for a wholesome snack, remember this simple yet delightful hummus and veggie sticks recipe.